Hey everyone, and check out my new shower bench. So it is disassembled and I'm going to be putting it together to show you guys what it looks like, but I absolutely adore it. Check it out. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. All the pieces are nicely packaged and it can go inside your shower. Of course, it is meant for outdoors. So I'm going to go put it together so I can show you guys what it looks like. Alright you guys, assembly was so quick and easy. It took less than 5 minutes and I did it all by myself. The instructions are super clear and it is super simple to put together. This bench is waterproof, so it's never gonna mold. It has non-slip feet and I love the curvature on the top. It really feels better to sit on it on the shower. I got it in the teak color, but they have black and white as well. The curved stool again is so incredible. It is 100% poly lumber. I definitely recommend this. It's going to be such a great addition to my shower and I hope you check it out and get one yourself too. Bye!